Hello Dnation and welcome back to the Hot Wheels Unbox and Review series. In today's special episode, we are going to be unboxing a set of 5 1/64th scale Hot Wheels motorcycles which are manufactured by Hot Wheels. These are 5 premium diecast motorcycles that piqued my interest and I grouped them together for today's episode. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging. These Hot Wheels diecast motorcycles come in the signature Hot Wheels cardbox blister packaging with all the product branding and information. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we set these beauties free. And with that out of the way, and as we get these open, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast collectibles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get these opened. Well, at first glance, these diecast motorcycles look quite premium and have a good build quality to them and also have quite a bit of detailing to them as well. And these models are manufactured mostly of diecast and a few bits and bobs of ABS plastic which make them premium looking. These models have a beautiful build quality and they measure in at 1.5 inches in length, 1 inch in height, 1 inch in width and weigh in at about 90 grams on average depending on the model. These models also come with spot-on paint apps according to their amazing color scheme and branding details and also have free rolling wheels and a lot more which make them functional and a premium collectible. So as you can see, these are the 4 different diecast motorcycles and a wheelie chair that I grouped together for this episode. And so with that being said, let's quickly run through the model names of these premium Hot Wheels motorcycle and let's begin with the Ducati Panigale 1199 which is from the Hot Wheels Motor Collection. While I'm amazed with the awesome bodywork and the signature red, white and green paint and decals on this ride, especially considering its size. Just overwhelmed to have this beautiful replica to my collection. And next up we have the Honda Monkeys Z50 which is from the Honda collection. This is a classic beauty with its signature black, maroon and white paint and decals. Overall an absolute stunner and an awesome Honda motorcycle replica. And what we're looking at now is the Bmw K 1300R which is from the factory fresh collection. And this ride looks stunning in its green variant and I love the details on this one. Overall an amazing classic diecast replica as well. Next up is the Hot Wheels 450F which is from the Bajaj Blazers collection. This is a motocross style motorcycle in its trademark yellow, blue and white paint and graphics with its off-road wheels. Overall a really amazing and off-road style motorcycle replica. And finally we have the Wheelie Chair, which is from the Hot Wheels Ride-Ons collection, and this is a metallic silver variant with its massive blacked out rear wheels with its white pinstripes. Overall a fun, unique and amazing replica to add to one's collection. Well, as I mentioned earlier, I'm a big fan of Hot Wheels and I decided to go with this theme for this Hot Wheels episode. And this is just one of the 12 episodes in this Hot Wheels series, so stay tuned and check out some amazing, unique and premium diecast cars by Hot Wheels. And so with that being said, let's take a closer look and check out the bodywork and the functionality of these amazing diecast replicas, and kindly find further features and specifications regarding these diecast beauties in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with these Hot Wheels diecast motorcycles. And so with that being said, let's place these diecast motorcycles on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Hot Wheels is a brand of diecast toys which was introduced by American toy maker Mattel in 1968. It was a primary competitor of Matchbox until 1997 when Mattel bought Tyco Toys, then owner of Matchbox. Many automobile manufacturers have since licensed Hot Wheels to make scale models of their cars, allowing the use of original design blueprints and detailing. Although Hot Wheels were originally intended for children and young adults, they have now become popular with the adult collectors as well, for whom limited edition models are now made available. And every now and then Hot Wheels comes out with a series of premium motorcycle models as well. And for its 40th anniversary in 2008, Hot Wheels celebrated the making of its 4 billionth car with the production of a diamond-studded model worth $140,000 US. It had 2,700 diamond chips, a total of almost 23 carats, and was cast in white gold with rubies serving as tail lights. And for further information on Hot Wheels, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these Hot Wheels motorcycles that are featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these Hot Wheels motorcycles are your favorite. And kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, and please do check out the rest of the Hot Wheels episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes on Hot Wheels diecast cars coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.